Hello, this is Mega Games 52 here, and I'm here with the new series, the unboxing series, and I'm gonna unbox J-Stars Victory Versus Plus, and I got it for my birthday today. So here we go. The ultimate dream for every anime and manga fan. There's something from Naruto, I believe. Some characters fighting, Goku doing his Kamehameha. Over 50 characters from 32 different series. There's backgrounds. Enjoy a grand adventure with your heroes and fight with your friends in local and online matches. An exclusive arcade mode. Let's see the front. These are all the characters on the game. There's probably more. Let's open it up. So we got the game. Nice design. Blu-ray disc. It's for teens. Bandai Namco made it. Same creators of Tekken and I believe Dragon Ball Z too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah. So that's it. Make sure you share, like, subscribe, and that's all.